Buksan natin. Pipla Punicune Light, guys. Nabili ko sa Toys R Us. So, yun. So, ito yung ano niya, front box art. Ito yung sa gilid. Ang cute to. Meron design ideas. Yan. And how to operate. I suggest you use Google Translate. Ano naman siya. Effective siya for me. So, yun. So, buksan na natin. Let's open it. Okay. Ang hirap niya i-open nang hindi nasisira ang box. So, guys, maalis ko talaga to. Oh. Okay. May tape pa. Wait lang, guys. Anyway, so, ayan. Meron silang little cute art here. Guys, lahat to ang cute. Sobrang cute. Anyways, I can't get enough. Ayan. No instruction manual kasi nasa gilid na yung instruction. So, buksan na natin. Yay! It looks paler than I thought. And it looks smaller. Pero guys, sobrang cute nito. As in, madulas siya. Tsaka may hangin. Oh. So, dito natin ilalagay yung batteries. So, I got rechargeable batteries. Links in the description box as well. So, para hindi mo na kailangan bumili. So, buksan ko lang siya, guys, ha. Hold on. Wait lang. Alright, so, i-on lang natin siya. So, meron siyang 2 modes. You have the light mode and yung puni mode. Ganda, guys. So nice. Wait lang, off ko yung ilaw. Para mas ma-appreciate niya. Ito yung other mode. Ayan lang siya. Light mode. It gets stronger. Ang ganda, guys. I highly suggest you buy this. I'm gonna put the links in the description box below. So, kapag tinap niya yung head niya, it gets stronger. Tingnan natin yung other mode. Galing. Tapos, it's continuous for 30 minutes. So, if you like my video, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what's your favorite moment and subscribe to my channel. Always remember, smile while eating traveling. Bye!